for
apple,
B for
ball,
C for
cat,
D for
door,
E for
elephant,
F for
fish,
G for
cat,
H for
horse,
I for
ashes,
J for
rocker,
K for
light,
L for
lemon,
M for
monkey,
N for
neck,
O for
orange,
P for
cat,
Q for
key,
R for
rabbit,
S for
sheep,
S for sandwich,
sunset,
T for
tiger,
U for
umbrella,
V for
fish,
W for
water,
watermelon,
watermelon,
X for
yellow phone,
Y for
lollipop,
Z for
joker,
zip.
jeep.
Good girl.